Okay, got a 2020 Mercedes GLB250. Resetting the service reminder. All right, so car is completely off now. Foot is off the brake. We're gonna hit engine start stop one time, and the cluster will light up like this, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you have an enter button here and a back button here. We're gonna press enter and back and hold it down, enter back. All right, and you'll notice the cluster kind of changed there, okay? The little red bars went away. Now go ahead and hit the back button and it'll pull up your menu system here, and we're gonna scroll to the left. All right, and now you should have workshop, okay? That's how you get workshop to appear here. Workshop, where you're gonna go into workshop. And once you're into workshop, go down to assist plus, okay? It tells you to turn the ignition on. Now we're gonna hit engine start stop again with our foot off the brake. This powers the rest of the car on. Go ahead and hit enter to get rid of that message there. All right, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go down to full service. Hit enter, okay, and then here's your service right here. Hit confirm service. Select your oil grade. We're gonna go with the first one. Service carried out, yes. Not be canceled, confirm. And you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and leave me a comment.